We acquire a particular quality by acting in a particular way. All persons ought to endeavor to follow what is right and not what is established. Probable impossibilities are to be preferred to improbable possibilities. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees the others. The law is reason free from passion. A friend to all is a friend to none. The soul never thinks without a picture. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. He who cannot be a good follower cannot be a good leader. It is not enough to win a war, it is more important to organize the peace. I count him braver who overcomes his desires than him who overcomes his enemies. It is possible to fail in many ways, while to succeed is possible only in one way. Man is a goal-seeking animal. His life only has meaning if he is reaching out and striving for his goals. It is easy to perform a good action, but not easy to acquire a settled habit of performing such actions. The ideal man bears the accidents of life with dignity and grace, making the best of circumstances. The aim of the wise is to not secure pleasure, but to avoid pain. Life in accordance with intellect is best and pleasantest, since this, more than anything else, constitutes humanity. Life is a gift of nature, but beautiful living is the gift of wisdom. Education is an ornament in prosperity and a refuge in adversity. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. The actuality of thought is life. Nature does nothing in vain. Wicked men obey from fear, good men from love. The virtue of justice consists in moderation as regulated by wisdom. The greatest virtues are those which are most useful to other persons. Whoever is delighted in solitude is either a wild beast or a god. To avoid criticism, say nothing, do nothing, be nothing. Dignity does not consist in possessing honors, but in deserving them. The educated differ from the uneducated as much as the living differ from the dead. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. It is not once nor twice, but times without number, that the same ideas make their appearance in the world. Young people are in a condition like permanent intoxication because life is sweet and they are growing. To be conscious that we are perceiving or thinking is to be conscious of our own existence. The many are more incorruptible than the few. They are like the greater quantity of water, which is less easily corrupted than a little.